the old man with a rasp, he's back at it, at least for the moment anyway.
Well, this morning I got Big Dutchy, the first big horse I'll tackle. I don't know if it's going to rain. Back feet looking untidy. They're all untidy, and it won't be a top of the range trim, I'll tell you now. So I got my padding on the rails here in case I hit this crippled head. We'll see how we go, eh, Dutch?
Well, may you say, why the scarf? Well, it's a bit cool, but not that chilly. But it's a bit like a teddy bear, a comforter, I guess, after I took the neck brace off. Before we kick off and get into things, if viewers could like, share or subscribe or comment, it would help the algorithm or whatever they call it, and may help us raise a bit of revenue. In the meantime, enjoy the vid. All the best.
Steady, Dutch. Looks like I'm back at it, whether I like it or not. I'm just going to trim that up with a grinder. Once again, 10-12 weeks since he's been trimmed. Can't believe they're held together like that. Right, some tape back. Get up, get away, come here. Dutchy tends to get huge bars here, but actually the feet are looking pretty good. Can't believe it. Steady. This foot here, the first time I ever got toe stomped was this foot with Dutchy. He got me a beauty. I think he broke the many bones in my foot. Did he? There he, hey. The bugger not being able to turn your head. That's as far as I can go. I'll put him back here, Smudge. Steady. Good boy. Put that one back. This one back here. Good boy. Down. This one up here now. Next one I'll do this one, I guess. This one I'll try between my legs this time. Bit more to take out this time. This one's probably the worst foot. Steady. Good boy. Don't know if you can see that up in there. I'm going to get all that this time. Geez, I reckon it's got most of it. Gee, I might even put that camera around the front a bit. Sit there, I suppose. I still reckon this only surface crack. Looks like it to me. What do you reckon? Shall I go over here? Right. We got a similar situation this time here. Down here. So I'll pick it out from underneath first and have a look, I guess. Shift this. Yeah. What do we go? Sure, I reckon got most of it. Got it, I reckon. Has. Just looked worse than it was. What have we got here? You can't call that. Oh, that's off me. That's blood off me. Had me worried there for a sec, mate. Right, it's back around the front for you. Cameraman, trimmer, you name it. Come this way a bit, eh? So we go there. Gives a look at Mr. Ordinary Foot. Come on, come on. Up, come on. Good boy. That's it. Now let's get this ugly. Actually did find a bit more. That's it. He's done just about. What's in here? I've now got this. I'm going to stick in those hollers I cut out. disinfectant, a bit like putty. Disinfectant, and it'll be there before the dirt. So. Okay, time for a walk around to see what I've done. That huge big crack up the front there when I started. Let's have a look underneath. Pick him up for me, come on. That's where I just stuck that arty mud in there. A little bit of bar there, not a lot. Look down the hoof. There we go. Back one here. Pick him up for me, mister. There we go. Now we'll have a look at this back one. Go around here. Change hands. Give us a look here, bud. That's a boy. What have we got here? That's it. That's it. There we go. In the back we finish off on the front hoof here. Once again, you can see where the mud's stuck in the front there. Bit of a crack. Have a look here, pick him up for me, mister. Come on, that's a boy. Here we go, here you can see the mud stuck in the front there again. That's it for the big fella. Just the two of us, Mr. Smarjo. Hey, my big pretty boy. Hey, who we got over there keeping their eye on things. Right, it's goodbye to you, goodbye from us. Stay happy, healthy, and you eat their way, mister. And back to Donnie again eating frogs. Don's a frog eater. How much should I trim off? Well, apart from what the dogs have eaten, reasonable amount. I'll get rid of all that. I think it's been 8 weeks since I broke my C2 with the DENS 2 fracture. 2 vertebrae in the spine, T, 11 and 12 I think, rib, bruised liver. But at the same time, my mate Danny boy was pushed down the steps and supposed to have injured his back. Not even a photo of him since. I'm back at work, supposed to be off for another month. So I don't know what's happened to our Danny boy. Perhaps he's got a few more bruises than he'd like to show on camera. What do you reckon, guys?